Hi class, and welcome to your tutorial on determining the number of subatomic particles, and this is the atoms edition. So I have two examples that I'm going to walk you through. So number one, carbon has an atomic number of 6 and a mass number of 12. Calculate the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Well, as you may remember from class, the atomic number is the same as the number of protons. So for my proton number, I have 6. Okay, now with mass number, you may remember that the mass number is equal to the number of protons plus neutrons. So if my mass number is 12, and I have 6 protons, I'm going to find the difference between those two to find my number of neutrons. So 12 minus 6 gives me 6. So I have 6 neutrons. Now when I'm looking for the number of electrons, unless stated otherwise, the number of protons will equal the number of electrons. So for my electron number, I have 6. So there are 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons in a carbon atom. Okay, number 2. Calculate the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in a neutral sodium atom. Well, it may be beneficial with a question like this to take a look at the periodic table and find the atomic number as well as the mass number. The atomic number for sodium, so sodium symbol is Na. The atomic number is 11. And the mass number, remember to round that when you're doing these problems, is 23. So as stated before, the atomic number is the same thing as the number of protons. My mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons. So if I know my number of protons, I can subtract that from my mass number to find out my number of neutrons. So 23 minus 11 is 12. Okay? And I was given in this problem that it was a neutral sodium atom. So neutrality, that means that I have the same number of positive protons as I do negative electrons. So there is no charge. So that number must be the same. So I have 11 electrons. Okay, so stay tuned for the other videos regarding determining the number of subatomic particles in ions, which have a different number of electrons, so they've either gained or lost electrons. And we got a little intro to bonding and why they do that, as well as isotopes, where it's still an atom, but it has a different number of neutrons. Thank you for watching.